Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your AOL account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your AOL account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in aol.com like this and enter, or you can simply search for AOL login on the Google itself and hit enter, and there is the AOL site on the top of the Google. Click over there and you can see both of these websites are same. One was from the Google search result, whereas one was from the direct web address we just typed. Now to log into your AOL account from over here, you can see the login/join button on the top right corner of your screen, as well as the left panel side of your screen where I'm hovering right now. Click on either of these on which you want to log in, and after that, on landing on this page, which is the login page of AOL, you'll be required to enter your username or your email or your mobile number over here, which you had registered on AOL at the time of creating your account. And after that, click on next, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password. And after entering your password, the login button will be available to you. Click on login to sign into your AOL, or if you have forgotten your username or your password, simply click on forgot username to go through a procedure to retrieve your username. Or if you want to log into your AOL account with your Google or your Yahoo ID, you can see the buttons available over here. If you click on Google or Yahoo like this, you'll be redirected to the login page of Google, as well as let's click on Yahoo and Yahoo as well. And if you log into your Google or your Yahoo ID from on the links from these buttons, then you'll be logged into your AOL account from your Google or your Yahoo account which you had chose. And guys, this is how you log into your AOL account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.